So it's gonna be a bitch to get it out.
You want a hammer?
Yeah.
Where's my little hammer?
Sorry, there's one outside the door there.
A hammer?
Huh?
Hammer? What hammer? You got this crow's thing. Would this help?
That's what I was looking for. Nah, just a hammer. Click it. Hammer might be. Yeah, I think I done wood chiseled this a little bit too much. I think I finally got broken.
Uh-oh.
It was only. That guy told me he did them that way too. Look at that. He did so nice, he fixed that spot right up like I asked him to. He left the mess, but we're good. That little chip.
Yeah, it's okay. He said he'll fix that piece when he comes back to do the pantry. He'll connect the little piece over there.
See, I will take all these people coming across that border and send them to your south.
Oh, yeah.
I got one right here that I've had for years, and I never let anybody help them, any of my helpers or anybody in the shop use it, because, well, that's why it's still good. My boss man would have grabbed this before and used it to cut some nails, and I'm like, dude, don't touch it. It's not a nail cutter, huh? Yeah. Oh, this actually works way better. I've actually had this thing so sharp, I sharpened it. Y'all know my friend Shane Sean? Yeah. This exact same 5-in-1. It was probably 8 years ago. Because he was actually working building some countertops with us. He said, man, it's dull. I said, give it to him. I sharpened it up with my belt. There you go.
Here's a little pencil.
I'm gonna throw this out. Yeah, all day Friday, Phil was like, why you got your tape measure on your hip with your pencil in the air? I said, it's a habit. I caught myself when I was going to church. Before I met you, I get my dress clothes on, hit the church, pencil in the air, tape measure. It was a habit. Oh, church.
Yeah. That looks good. Yep.
It'll tighten up once you keep going.
Cool. Very nice.
If
I like
not,
it.
we'll end up coming back in here and cutting this out and putting the strip right here.
Yeah,
It'll probably be more cut out right in here, and the strip will.
That's gonna be nice. You gonna try a match-up pattern? Nope.
No.
Just put it all in there. It's sweet. Yeah, that's gonna be cool.
Boy, that saw cuts that like butter. Yeah.
Yeah, that's soft stuff. I like it. Yeah, I'm glad it fit together.
Well,
Pretty much. Not exactly, but it looks good.
Kind of persuaded it. I'm pretty sure in that box says, wear a respirator. In the state of California, this material causes cancer. Only in California. I want to see what that next one looks like. Oh yeah, that's the engine. Yeah, that would be the starter. Vacuum.
Number 2. Box number 2.
Oh, we might have to add these in there. We might have to add a sliver in there.
Box 4. And they almost have it all the way in. They gotta move some stuff over to this side. And then finish that section right there. So, yeah, it's good. We like. It'll have to do, Levi. It'll have to do.
I'm pretty sure that's a piece we need. Both sides of it.
All right, so that's it. I like it. All right, so we're working in the laundry room out there, and the water heater is going to move out there. Cabinets and the same granite will be in there for a pantry and little coffee area and stuff. So we don't want to have anything on these shelves or this cabinet here. It needs to be all cleaned off. A little bit. We got a plug and a dimmer switch for that light, and another plug over there to install, which we already have. I think it's got a stuff at the bottom. This goes to the dishwasher. These are the GFI plugs and the dimmer switch. And those are the cover plates. Something's still not right with this door. Oh shit. Alright. Lazy Levi. Wow, that's nice. That's quite good. Quite good.
Dude, don't let that drip on nothing.
It's not a drippy one, but we will put it somewhere else. Like over here. Bleep, bleep, bleep. Bleep, bleep, bleep.
Oh, there it is over there. It's kind of hard to get these little nails in with the rubber hammer because you're like, they're not going to know how all these nails are going to be there.
Gonna paint it. Neat paint. It's good. The dishwasher's in. It's enough. We are making spaghetti, but we're using linguine because that's all we got. And this is how we make it. Right, Levi? Loving the new kitchen. Loving it. Super nice in here. Just walk around and look at this. Look at this. Ryan Jeff. Okay, so the project today is to plant these lilies. All right. Look at all those lilies I can break apart. Ooh, hopefully I don't tear them up. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. About 26 of them that I separated and planted. So that'll block off the drain field. Hopefully people won't run over that. Put the rest of them back over in that corner. I'm going to plant the rest of them in that fence line. And I got to move the truck. Looks good. I hope they live. They all had big bulbs on them, so they should. Once they get over being shocked. If they do.